So guys, yesterday I posted this video and we ended up getting the direction buy gold, buy Nasdaq and buy US30. Story, I only won one. Did I fucking go wrong, man? Today we're gonna be fixing that. We won Nasdaq, as you can see, a perfect long buy, you understand? And check US30. US30 and gold is actually the reason why we lost yesterday. So in this video, we are about to fix that. So please make sure you hit the subscribe button. You might not see me again, gents. Hit the like button and share it to your friends and family because you are getting this information for free. So the least you can do is just hit the like button. Then without wasting any time, let's get down to business. Guys, let's start on US30, right? Since it's take profit hit on Nasdaq, let's focus on US30 and gold, right? Because this doesn't look good. I thought we will be touching the top of our trend line, but it looks like US30 is in front of everyone, you understand? Because we still have to touch the top of our trend line on Nasdaq right there, boys. But then now Nasdaq, I feel like Nasdaq will be selling because now that we touched this resistance right here, now that we touched this resistance, obviously on a resistance we sell unless the market chooses to break above. So let's go to US30 and confirm that US30 might be touching the bottom of our trend line. Finally, a perfect movement. So now we don't have to second guess things, you understand? So let's just delete everything and reanalyze. It's good to refresh your analysis, guys. It's good to refresh your analysis. Don't get too used to it because like sometimes it will bore you and sometimes you do have to analyze, you understand? So draw your supply and then draw your demand just like so. Now that we catered our playground, we'll basically be focusing on what's inside, right? So now draw a trend line going like this. Yeah, let me just add that touch over there and then just drag it up to make it look like this. Just like so. Yeah, boogie. And then now, what do we see? Okay, we'll wait. Whoa, just draw a line where price touched our trend line. But then this is not a touch, right? But then I will be drawing a line over there, guys, because I feel like this high is respected. So I'll be drawing a line and marking it as my support. Sorry about that. This is my support, right? So now I think we're done in the 4-hour time frame. Let's go down to a 1-hour time frame. So guys, I feel like I will be selling today, bro. I will be selling today. Just draw a line on this low right here, right? So guys, now that we drew a line over here, so obviously right here we will be starting our trend line right here. But then one thing I noticed, right? One thing I noticed is that Nasdaq is actually selling now since it's in a resistance, right? And this one, it's clear as daylight that we have to touch the top of our trend, the bottom of our trend line, right? So meaning now I feel like I must change the way, because at first I drew my trend line like this and I took a loss, right? I took a loss. Basically, why are we reanalyzing? It's because like we took a loss and we want to fix the losses, you understand? So right now I feel like the market will be touching the bottom of our trend line and actually retest, right? Because since we broken above. But now that hey bro, I don't know if you understand, but I feel like drawing a trend line like this, bro. Like this. Because clearly we have to touch the bottom of our trend line. And the bottom of our trend line is actually down there, bro. I don't know, bro. You guys correct me if I'm wrong, because this high right here is actually important, because check this out. Check this out, bro. If I draw a line on this low right here, you can clearly see, or if I just drew a line where price touched our trend line, you can clearly see that this is actually an important resistance right here, right? This is actually an important resistance. So clearly US30 is in a resistance, and where are we going? down here, guys. Or let me just draw our support right here. Let me just draw our support right here. This might be a support that will give us the take profit. You understand? So let's just do that. Yeah, let's just do that. And right now, I don't even see like the market showing us buying opportunities, because if I force a breakout right here, let's say I want to open a trade. If I force a breakout right here, you can clearly see that the market broke below this trend line and actually retested. So whenever the market breaks a trend line and retest it, it will go where the trend line started. So that's why I say this support is actually a support that will give us our take profit. So this is what I have, guys. If the market buys, then like, yo, you understand? Cause like, guys, like I can't even explain, bro. Me, I get so pissed off, dog. Cause I know what I'm doing. But then the market chooses to disrespect me. Check gold, for example. Check gold. Check gold. Gold hasn't touched the top of our trend line. So where did we go wrong? You understand? So let's find out, guys. Let's find out. This is forex, man. Nobody is 100%. 100% in this thing, bro. Nobody catches the market every fucking single month, every single day, every single year, back to back. No, there's gotta be a winning streak and there's gotta be a losing. You understand? So yeah, man, we will live through that. Basically, we will be more stronger than the losses, I guess. But hey, sometimes the losses hit so hard, bro. Even if you are used to them, hey, bro, losing money is not a joke, dog. Okay, now let's look at gold on a bigger scale. Because yesterday we focused on this, right? We focused on this movement right here, right? And I feel like this movement was the trap on gold. I feel like my mistake was to focus on here. So I gotta be disciplined in such way with every time I focus on the bigger scale, because if I want to scalp I lose. But then other people ate on the Nasdaq signal, and I'm glad other people ate. But me, guys, I blew my account yesterday, bro, because of gold. Me, I'm a gold trader more than Nasdaq and US30. So gold is actually my mama. You understand? So I gotta sweet talk here sometimes. So now I'm sweet talking, starting in the 4 hour and actually scaling up and see the actual direction. So now, sorry about that, guys. My dad keeps calling. At least my dad calls, bro. He calls all the time. He's the only one calling my phone, bro. Like, I'm for real. If he vies in this world, bro, I don't know who gonna call me. But then, yeah, man, appreciate you, Dad. But I'm busy right now helping people. So, guys, as I was saying, now that we've catered our playground, right, we can clearly see that this is actually a downtrend. If you draw a trend line from here, going like, oh, what? What? Hold on, hey. Hey. Gold. So, meaning I was right. Meaning I was right yesterday. Okay, just draw a line where price touched our trend line right here. I feel like that's a. Let me just do this. Why do I feel like this is a very important high? I don't know why, bro. Let's just figure it out. Cause today I don't want to focus. I don't want to lose today, bro. I can't be losing gold like that, bro. I hate it when I lose gold like that, bro. So yeah, man. Let's just draw a line from here, maybe like this. Yeah, and then just drag it down to make it look like so. Still doesn't make sense. Nah, it still doesn't make sense, bro. Gold is gonna buy. Gold is fucking bullish, bro. Yeah, gold is very, very. But like, let's go for this analysis, right? Let's go for this analysis. Let's see what we have on this analysis. Just draw your support just like this, and move down to your 1 hour time frame and draw a trend line from down here. Let's just draw the manual trend line, which, from down here, then copy it and paste it just like so. We can clearly see now that the market might be touching the bottom of our trend line. Thank you, Jesus. We can clearly see that the market might be touching the bottom of our trend line. No, man. Huh. I have to fix my error issues now. It's getting worse. But then, yeah, this is what I have. And one thing I realized that gold has to touch this bottom trend line right here, right? So we are not done, guys. I didn't say we are done. Check this out. If we zoom in and focus on this movement right here, right? And if you draw a line on this bottom right here and mark it as your current support zone, just like this, right? And from this high right here, draw a trend line going like this. And because our trend line actually helps us know that it's a support or a resistance, the market is in a support or a resistance. So we can clearly see that this low right here is where price touched our trend line. And right now, what I see, the market is creating a double bottom. And obviously, if the market is creating a double bottom, it will break a trend line. So let me tell you something you didn't know, bro. And we can go back in time and check it and validate that thing. If you are in a trend line and the market is creating a double bottom or a double top, right? And probably we are at the bottom of our trend line. Usually, when the market creates a pattern, it will obviously break the trend line. Ish, ish, ish. Uh, just want to show you something. Okay, yeah. Check this out, guys. I just want to show, because this is one of the secrets. In order to predict where the market is going, right? So let's say we have a trend line right. Oh, what? Let's say a trend line right here, and then right, just like so. You can clearly see that the market created a double bottom first. You understand? Now you know what I'm saying. If the market creates a double bottom, right, and it's in a trend line, it will obviously break that trend line and go where the trend line started. Where did the trend line start? Here, and boom. You understand? So now we are actually experiencing the same thing on this movement right here. This is a confirmed double bottom, right? Because now we have a new opening stick, and this stick is telling us I am in a support, right? I am on top of this support right here, right? So obviously the market is buying, but why is US30 showing us sells if the market is buying? So I feel like we made a mistake on US30. I don't know where, but I feel like we made a mistake on US30 somewhere, bro. But this one is perfect. I will be going with my analysis. It's good to follow your analysis than to just guess where the market is going, you understand? So gold is selling, US30 is buying, and Nasdaq, I will analyze Nasdaq on my socials, but right now I would say gold is buying. Gold is buying from here to up here where the trend line started, just like so. Yeah, from yeah, from up here. So this is what yeah. No. This doesn't make sense. No. I won't fall for this. I won't. I won't fall for this. Gold is actually playing games. Gold is playing games, bro. Gold is playing games. No. No. I got you. You almost took me out. That means Nasdaq is actually selling, bro. That means Nasdaq is actually selling. But no, 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 my brother. This is what we have. Hey, hey. Yo, what if I was right the first time? But then, yeah, man, you comment down below which movement are you going for. But right now, we still have to touch the bottom of our trend line. The market is highly respected when we have a gap on a trend line, bro. It's highly respected. It's most likely to touch the bottom of our trend line, and we are in a we are in a downtrending momentum, as you can see right here, guys. We're in a downtrending momentum. Remember what I said yesterday? It's better to like be on the safe side and actually operate the direction that the market is waving on, bro. Understand? But then, yeah, this is what I have for you guys. Sell gold and sell USDT. That's basically it. I feel like Nasdaq and gold, USDT and gold and Nasdaq will be selling, but Nasdaq, I feel like I will be analyzing Nasdaq on my Instagram, so make sure you check it out. Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Then today we bearish, and I will be opening selling opportunities. Why? Because US30 told me so, and I saw something other people won't see on gold. Other people will see a breakout, but I feel like we just created a top touch at the top of our trend line. Did you understand that? Huh? Yeah, man, that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure you click the subscribe button. But then, till we meet again on another video, gents, it's your boy, it's your mentor, Curtis this night. Signing off. Damn.